4, 3, 2, 1.
Listen up, y'all, cause this is it. The beat that I'm banging is delicious.
I'm going to I almost said I'm going to disappear, and when I come back I'm going to have this coolish thing on me.
You cannot play the guitar.
What? What?
I think it's out of tune, and when there's a capo on it, you're supposed to play on the other side of the capo.
This side?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't do that.
You can take it off.
That's too hard.
Oh, you're a little weakling.
Pretend I threw this at you.
It's all good.
Did you just take a bite of my pickle?
I've been eating your pickle.
Yeah. You see this? You see what? You have stuff inside of your guitar.
Yeah.
Is it a pickle?
Yeah, it's a pickle.
No, is it a pick?
No.
Watch me beat Michaela. Michaela, scream.
Oh, I just said some popcorn.
That sounds really cool. I'm not sleeping on a popcorn covered mattress.
We can clean it up.
Okay, this is a song that's really cool. Oh, CarMax. Oh, CarMax. I used it the other day. It was so great. I wish I had it today, but your dad stole it because he has chapters. I gave you my pickle to hold, but instead of holding it, you gave my pickle. You think it sounds so great, but it's not. This guitar is really heavy, and I hit you over the head with it. I'm singing up on the stage on some